Hi, today I am going to show you how to access tutoring services at Fresno City College using Canvas. The first thing I want to talk about is why tutoring is important. Tutoring provides you with individualized attention and feedback for the assignment. I want you to think about professional writers. Every book that you buy or you see has had a team of editors. So this writer has had a team of editors to help them produce their very best writing. When you go to get feedback on your college essays, you are doing the exact same thing. You are trying to get assistance in writing your best papers to submit to your professors. Number 2, it helps boost your confidence in the subject area. Number 3, it provides you with another individual to explain and help you with the subject. Sometimes when you listen to somebody else explain something to you, it might make better sense. And so that's another reason as to why tutoring is very important. Number 4, it builds your community of support as you make your way through college. I don't know of anyone who has been able to graduate from college with their degrees all on their own. We all rely on a community of friends, a network of professors that we've built, and yes, even tutoring to help us along the way with assignments. So please, please understand that your community also includes your family, people who care about you and want you to succeed. It is imperative that you view tutoring too as a part of your community of support to make your way through college. Now, I'm going to talk about the types of tutoring available at Fresno City College. One is past tutoring. Now, in your English courses at Fresno City College, you will have your professor and an assigned past tutor. This assigned past tutor will be familiar with the assignments you have to complete and the curriculum. When you go in and request past tutoring, I would request the very same past tutor who is in your classroom. 2, there is the Online Writing and Reading Center. 3, there is the Math Support Center. 4, there are RAP library sessions. Now, these sessions are strictly to help you with any research papers you are writing and or research projects. To access a RAP library session, you must fill out a form through the Fresno City College library page. So please be sure to do that, as these are also individual sessions. Now, because of COVID and because all your courses are going to be online, or the majority of them next semester, these will all be private Zoom sessions. Now I'm going to talk to you as to how you should access, or you could access tutoring from your Canvas account. Step 1, you need to be logged into your Canvas account and go to your class shell. Step 2, click on the FCC Tutoring Center. This will take you to a page with links to all of the tutoring available at Fresno City College. In a few seconds, I'll show you how to do that. Step 3, you're going to select the link to the tutoring service you would like. And then it's all about having a happy tutoring session. So here is my class shell for English 1A. Now, if I scroll here, so for example, let's say I want that past online tutoring session. All I would do is click on the past tutoring session and then click on this icon, and this will take me to the Zoom link where I will go to a waiting room to wait for a past tutor. I'm going to go ahead and click on the FCC Tutoring Center again, as this will show us links to all of the services that are available to you. So as you see here, okay, here is extending the class services with other disciplines. So this is tutoring for other classes such as science or political science or philosophy. Here is another link to the Past Center. Here is a link to the Math Support Center. Here is a link to the Writing and Reading Center. And then this one here is a link to the NetTutor website. Before you log on to your Zoom tutoring session, please make sure you review these rules and guidelines for online tutoring. And again, please keep in mind that we are here at Fresno City College. We all want you to succeed and do well in your courses. Please make sure that you access these resources as they are very important to help you succeed.